Segment 1. Setting the stage, host. Before we dive into the steps, let's get one thing straight. Getting your first 1,000 subscribers is the hardest part, but it's also the most exciting because you're building the foundation for your channel's growth. Here's how to speed up the process without feeling overwhelmed. Segment 2. Step-by-step plans. Step 1. Pick a clear niche. Host enthusiastic. Niche is everything. Ask yourself, what's the one topic you'd make videos about that people would find valuable? For example, instead of just fitness, focus on something specific like 5-minute home workouts for beginners. This makes you stand out and attracts the right audience. Pro tip: search for trending topics in your niche using tools like Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions. Ride the wave of what's already popular. Step 2. Create irresistible titles and thumbnails. Host showing examples on screen. Your title and thumbnail are your click magnets. Spend extra time here. Instead of a boring title like How to Bake a Cake, go for something like The Easiest Cake Recipe Everyone's Talking About. Add emotion, curiosity, or urgency. Pro tip: use free tools like Canva to design eye-catching thumbnails with bold text and bright colors. Step 3. Post high-value content consistently. Host. This is the golden rule: value first, subscribers later. People hit subscribe when they feel like they'll keep learning or getting entertained. Plan at least 5 to 10 high-quality videos before you even launch. Idea example: if you're in tech, create a series like 5 tools that will save you hours every day. Each video should answer a question your audience is asking. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Host. Don't just post and ghost. Reply to comments, ask questions in your videos, and pin a comment to start a conversation. People subscribe to creators who make them feel heard. Quick hack: encourage viewers to comment by saying, "Let me know your biggest struggle in your niche in the comments, and I'll reply to as many as I can." Step 5. Collaborate and cross-promote. Host. Partner with other small creators in your niche. Collaboration is like a fast pass to a wider audience. Whether it's a live stream, a shout-out, or a joint video, it's a win-win. Segment 3. Address common challenges. Host. Feeling stuck because your videos aren't getting views? Here's a quick fix. Optimize your videos for search. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags that people are already searching for.